Have you ever wondered if you could start making money online without investing a single dollar? No paid software, no expensive courses, no complicated coding. Well, in 2026, AI has completely changed the game. Today, I'm going to show you the best free AI tools you can start using right now to build real online income streams, even if you're a beginner, and I'll also share a simple strategy to turn these tools into actual earnings. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's be clear. This is not a get-rich-overnight promise. AI tools are powerful, but they are tools. Your income depends on how you use them. If you focus, stay consistent, and build one skill properly, you can start generating income without spending money upfront. Now, let's go into the tools. First category, AI writing. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Copy AI allow you to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, generate product descriptions, draft email marketing campaigns, create social media captions. Here's how you monetize this. You can sell writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Step-by-step beginner strategy. Step 1. Choose one niche, for example finance, tech, or fitness. Step 2. Create 3 sample articles using AI. Step 3. Edit them to sound natural and human. Step 4. Offer affordable starter gigs to build reviews. Once you get testimonials, increase your rates. This is one of the fastest entry-level online income methods. Second category, AI design tools. Visual content sells, especially in 2026. Free tools like Canva and Leonardo AI let you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, printable planners, digital wall art, business logos. Now here's where the money comes in. You can sell thumbnail design services, social media templates, printable bundles on Etsy. Digital products are powerful because you create once and sell multiple times. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront cost. Next, AI video tools. Video content has the highest earning potential online. Free tools like CapCut and Pictory allow you to create videos without showing your face. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, short-form content, educational explainers, affiliate product reviews. How do you monetize YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products? High CPM niches include finance, AI tools, software reviews, online business. If you stay consistent to 3 videos per week, you can build long-term income. Next opportunity, AI voiceovers. Tools like Eleven Labs allow you to generate realistic voice narration. You can offer services such as YouTube narration, audiobook voiceover, explainer videos, course voice recording. Many small creators don't want to record their own voice. You can sell AI-assisted voiceover services and charge per minute. This is a low-competition niche right now. Now let's talk about no-code websites. Tools like Durable can create full websites in minutes. Small businesses need landing pages, service websites, portfolio sites. You can offer website setup services, create lead generation pages, sell simple business websites. Even beginners can charge $100, $500 per project once they practice. No coding required. Another underrated income stream, resume optimization. Tools like KickResume help create professional CVs. You can offer ATS resume optimization, LinkedIn profile writing, job application support. Many job seekers are willing to pay for better job chances. This service works globally. Now here is the most important part. Do not try all tools at once. Winning framework. Step 1. Pick one skill. Step 2. Create 3 to 5 strong samples. Step 3. Start offering services immediately. Step 4. Improve quality weekly. Your first goal is not $10,000. Your first goal is $100. That proves the system works. Then scale. Let's stay realistic. First month, learning. Second month, small income. Third month, growth stage. Consistency beats motivation. AI gives you leverage, but you still need effort. AI is not replacing humans, it's replacing people who refuse to learn it. If you start today, you are early. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.